Workers' compensation is a form of social insurance that pays benefits to employees who become injured or disabled as a result of working. In essence, it's a wage replacement system where you receive a percentage of your wage tax-free if you're unable to work. For this reason, it is important to retain an experienced disability lawyer who can advise you of your rights and entitlements. Keep watching to learn more about the process and how you can find help. Workers' compensation basics. Most states require businesses to carry workers' compensation insurance. These policies vary based on state law, the type of work performed, and the size of the company payroll. You can also supplement your employer coverage with your own private income insurance. When monetary claims are rewarded, the payout can depend on many factors. Benefits can include medical fee coverage, living expenses, rehabilitation costs, and more. Furthermore, states like Massachusetts serve as no-fault states. This means you can be eligible for benefits even if you caused the injury yourself. Each company has different workers' comp policies and procedures, and compensation laws vary by state. Compensation bargains. It's critical to note that by accepting this benefit, you are entering the compensation bargain, where you waive the right to sue your employer. This can be good for the injured person as it provides guaranteed compensation. There is no need for a lengthy legal process in which you could potentially walk away with nothing. Furthermore, if the case goes to litigation, the burden of proof is on you to show your employer is responsible. Workers' comp is also good for the employer as they avoid a potentially costly lawsuit that requires legal fees even if they win the case. Some unique types of employees and businesses, like gig workers and contractors, are exempt from workers' comp laws depending on the state. Qualifications. There can be more explicit examples from a one-time injury as well as more complicated situations. One example of this is a repetitive strain injury, which tends to occur in the knees, back, or hips. These cases are difficult to navigate. They require a greater burden of proof to ensure the injury resulted directly from workplace conditions. There can also be work-related injuries that occur when away from the office or work site. During the COVID crisis, many office-based employees are working from home. Surprisingly, there is still the possibility of injury while working remotely. Reporting your injury. In the case of workplace injury, the employee should contact their supervisor as soon as possible. You'll need to provide up-to-date personal information as well as details surrounding the incident and witness testimony. The more info you have, the better. Finding an attorney. An attorney can advise you of the best course of action and help you to maximize your claim. In the initial consultation, the attorney will go over all the facts of your case. This includes the nature and circumstances surrounding the incident and your employment history. They can also represent you should your employer contest the case. The world of workers' compensation can be complicated. With laws varying from state to state and based on the nature of work, the layperson may have a hard time determining their rights as an employee. Contacting a lawyer is the best course of action to identify your options. Contact an experienced attorney today for your free consultation. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.